Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the next part of the organic chemistry, that is alkanes. Now alkanes comes under hydrocarbons only. Okay, alkanes are the first hydrocarbons. They have the general formula CnH2n plus 2, which we have already discussed. Now this alkanes, they contain carbon carbon single bond and carbon hydrogen single bond, and these bonds are covalent bonds. Okay, these are the covalent bonds in their molecules. Okay, now alkanes are also called as what? Saturated compounds, and they are known as paraffins. Now what do you mean by paraffins? In Latin, param means little and affinis means what? Affinity. So they have little affinity. Now children, why they have little affinity is because, say for example, I am taking ethane. Okay, ethane. Its formula is C2H6. So it has what? 2 carbon atoms, and rest bonds are with hydrogens. So this is the structure of ethane. Now in this structure of ethane, you can see all are single bonds. All are single bonds. Single bonds. Now these bonds are known as sigma bonds. These are sigma bonds. One single bond is known as what? Sigma bonds. And these sigma bonds are very strong bond. They require high amount of energy to break. So it is very difficult to break these bonds. Okay, hence they have what? Little affinity. So they do not react very easily under normal conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay, as they also have no weak bonds here. No weak bonds are there. These are sigma bonds which are strong bonds, hence their affinity is little, or they are less reactive. So hence they are unreactive at ordinary temperatures or conditions. Okay, now alkanes show only one type of isomerism in them, that is a chain isomerism. We have already discussed what is a chain isomerism. Now you know what are isomers. Isomers are the compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formula. So alkanes show isomers, but they should contain more than 3 carbon atoms. Okay, they should contain more than 3 carbon atoms, then only they will show isomerism. So hence you can say that carbon with 4, okay, carbon atom containing 4 atoms will, from carbon atom which has 4 carbon atoms, okay, the carbon atom, the chain or the organic compound which has 4 carbon atoms, the chain or the organic compound which has 4 carbon atoms will show the isomers. Okay, now there are 3 types of isomers, children. We have N isomer, that is normal isomer, iso. Okay, and we have neo condition. Now I will explain you how they are called as N, iso and neo. See, N is normal, that means carbon atom is attached to maximum 2 carbon atoms. Now it is a chain. Okay, in N normal condition it will be always in the form of chain. N isomer or normal isomer or normal isomer. Okay, say for example I am writing pentane. Pentane. Pentane में pent means 5 carbon and ane means single bond. Yes or no? So I am drawing the structure here. 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon atoms. All of them contain single bond in them. So rest of the bonds I am satisfying it with hydrogens. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Okay. Now this is the structure of pentane. Okay. C5H12. Okay, so here this is the structure of pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have C5H12. This is the structure of pentane. Now see here, what do you mean by normal? Normal isomer. This is normal isomer or N isomer. This is N pentane. This is called as what? N pentane. Now why it is called as N-pentane, children? See, this carbon atom is attached to maximum 2 carbon atoms. This carbon atom is attached to maximum 2 carbon. Again this carbon is attached to maximum 2 carbon atoms. Terminal carbons are attached to only 1 carbon atoms. Okay, so N or normal condition is the condition where the carbon atom is attached. Carbon atom is attached to maximum 2 carbon atoms. Now what is the iso condition? Here at least 1 carbon atom is attached to 3 carbon atoms. Okay, now this again I am taking the same example of pentane only. Okay, see here, C5H12. Now the condition of iso will be one carbon should be attached to minimum 3 carbon. So say I am taking this carbon atom, send this one. Okay, so I am attaching here. Now this is the structure of pentane. Pentane में straight भी हो सकती है और branch भी हो सकती है. 5 carbon atom है ये. Okay, now here this is the iso condition where you can say that this carbon atom is attached to 3, 1, 2, 3, maximum 3 carbon atoms है वो attached है. The rest bonds will be satisfied with hydrogen. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3. Here 1 bond is required, here 2 bonds are required, and here again 3 bonds are required. So this is the whole structure of isopentane. This is isopentane. This is iso condition of the pentane organic compounds, but its IUPAC name will be different. When we see the IUPAC name, this is the longest chain and this is the branching. Okay, so see here, I am condensing this structure. This structure is this way: CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, and here also CH3. So this central carbon atom is attached to 3 carbon. This is iso condition. ये कौन सी कंडीशन है? आइसो. बट इसका अगर हम IUPAC नेम देखेंगे तो इट विल बी डिफरेंट. दिस इज लॉन्गेस्ट चेन 4 कार्बन एटम ब्यूट एंड 2 पे क्या है? मिथाइल. 1, 2, 3, 4. सो इट्स नेम IUPAC नेम इज डिफरेंट. IUPAC नेम इज व्हाट? 2-methyl butane. IUPAC name is 2-methyl butane, but normal or the trivial name is isopentane. Okay, its trivial name is what? Isopentane. Now the last condition of the isomer is the neoisomer. Neoisomer means at least 1 carbon atom is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. So again in this pentane molecule I am showing you the neo condition. See, 1 carbon atom should be attached to 4 carbon atoms. See, this is the structure of pentane. Now I have made it in the branched form. So this carbon atom, central carbon atom, is attached to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So this condition is known as what? Neo condition. Now here we will satisfy the bonds with hydrogen. 3 bonds on all the 4 terminals. तो 3 4s are क्या हो गया? 12 हाइड्रोजन हो गया. देखो चिल्ड्रेन, इसमें क्या है? Molecular formula will be same. Only the structural formula is different. See here. First, pentane C5H12 का straight chain है ये. This is iso condition and this is the neo condition. This is neopentane. This is neopentane. Now neo condition is where 1 carbon is attached to 4 carbon atoms. Iso condition is 1 carbon is attached to 3 carbon atoms. And normal condition is 1 carbon atom should be attached to maximum 2 carbon atoms. Okay, so this is the isomers. Okay, these are the isomers. Now the next part in this alkanes which we are going to study is very important. That is methane. Structure of methane. Now what is methane? Methane का formula है CH4. This is the first member of alkane series. First member of alkane series. This is the simplest and the first member of the alkane series, children. Now in this, methane is a very simpler molecule. It is also known as what? Marsh gas. It is also known as marsh gas. So I have written some points. See here, it is a primary constituent of a natural gas. It contributes to the greenhouse effect. Yes or no? It is a greenhouse gas because it has 20 times more power to trap the heat than carbon dioxide. Okay, and it can stay in the atmosphere up till 10 years. Its life in the atmosphere is 10 years. Okay, so marsh gas. Now why it is called as marsh gas? Because it is formed at the bottom of the marshes due to the fermentation of the cellulose by a special type of bacteria. Even when you will see animals, when they chew food, you have seen that foam formed in their mouth. जब भी गाय या भैंस कोई खाना खाती तो उसके मुंह में जो foam form होता है, children, they release methane gas. Now why they will release methane gas, children? Because they eat cellulose plants. Okay, plants containing cellulose, plants have cellulose in them. So hence, due to which their mouth also releases this type of gas. Okay, now it is present in the air exhaled by the animals, so that is what I am explaining you. Okay, so it is present in the air exhaled by the animals. Now further, it is also present in the cavities in the coal. Okay, and it is called as fire dams. It is present in the cavities of the coal. कोल के कैविटीज में ये प्रेजेंट होता है, एटलीस्ट 90% प्रेजेंट होता है. सो हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड एज फायर डैम्प. नाउ द कोल माइंस आर कॉल्ड एज फायर डैम्स चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज मीथेन कंबशन रिएक्शन शो करता है, और अगर इसका कंप्लीट कंबशन हो जाएगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा. तो कोल माइंस में यूजुअली इट इज़ वेरी रिस्की फॉर द पीपल वर्किंग इन द कोल माइंस, बिकॉज वो फायर डैम कहलाता है, वो कभी भी फट सकता है. बिकॉज कोल कंटेन्स 90% ऑफ द मीथेन गैस इन देयर कैविटीज एंड इट शोज कंबशन रिएक्शन. ओके, now methane is also produced by dry distillation of wood and peat. Okay, so I hope that now you are able to understand. The most important thing we are going to study about the methane is its structure. Now what is the structure of methane? The simple structure is central कार्बन एटम, एक कार्बन एटम है और उसकी चारों वैलेंसीज किससे सेटिस्फाइड है, हाइड्रोजन से. इट्स वैलेंसीज आर सेटिस्फाइड बाय हाइड्रोजन. नाउ दिस इज द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला. ओके, नाउ इफ आई वांट टू शो यू द इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. सो चिल्ड्रन, इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर में हम क्या करते हैं, वी विल रिप्रेजेंट द सेंट्रल कार्बन एटम. अब कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर इज 6. इट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 2,4. सो 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसके आउटर मोस्ट शेल में है. दीज आउटर मोस्ट शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स वी विल रिप्रेजेंट हियर. देर आर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन इट्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल, तो आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट विद अ डॉट. नाउ इट्स 4 वैलेंसीज हैज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड. सो हाइड्रोजन का एटॉमिक नंबर कितना है, 1. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज ऑल्सो 1. तो हमको कितने हाइड्रोजन चाहिए इसकी वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए, एक हाइड्रोजन एक ही इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर कर पाएगा, तो हमको कितने चाहिए, 4 हाइड्रोजन्स. Okay, so I am drawing these electrons with the help of cross. These are the cross ones are for the hydrogen. Now this is the इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, इसमें मैं बॉन्ड नहीं शो कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज एक बॉन्ड बनाने के लिए 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए. सो दे आर म्यूचुअली शेयरिंग दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू फॉर्म द बॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज योर इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, I hope that you are able to understand. Now the other structure of carbon, this methane. Okay, the geometrical structure, when we will see its geometry. Okay, its geometry is tetrahedron. Its geometry is tetrahedron. Tetra means what, 4. Tetra means 4. Okay, because it has 4 carbon atoms. अब चिल्ड्रन, जब तुम ये बॉन्ड देखोगे तो यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो बॉन्ड्स हैं कार्बन के सारे जो है 4 अलग अलग डिफरेंट स्पेस में अरेंज्ड है. येस और नो? ओके, नाउ हाउ दे आर अरेंज्ड एक्चुअली चिल्ड्रन, जस्ट सी द स्ट्रक्चर हाउ आई एम शोइंग यू. ओके, just see here. See, this is one plane, x plane. Suppose x plane, you assume it is a x. Sorry, this is x. This red one is x. This black is y. This is y plane. Okay, and this is my z plane. ये मेरा z plane हो गया. ये जो बीच में, तीनों के बीच में जो एक पॉइंट बन रहा है, यहाँ पे कार्बन है. ओके, दिस इज कार्बन. अब इसके 3 प्लेन ये हो गए, और जो चौथा प्लेन है वो ऐसे है, मतलब पीछे की तरफ है. जस्ट सी हियर. ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू. ऐसे दिखाना चिल्ड्रन. जस्ट सी हियर, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ, चारों पेंसिल आ रही है. ओके, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मीथेन. सी हियर, दिस इज एक्स प्लेन, रेड वन इज योर एक्स प्लेन. ओके, पेंसिल इज योर वाई प्लेन, एंड दिस इज योर जेड प्लेन, और एक क्या है, पीछे की तरफ है. Okay, this is the tetrahedral structure of methane molecule. This is how it is arranged. Now why it is arranged this way? Because children, the electrons, this electron and this electron, when they will share, sharing तो हो रही है, लेकिन दोनों के बीच में repulsion होगा ना, because दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन तो negatively charged है. Now when there will be repulsion, see here, हाइड्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच में भी तो repulsion होगा, यहाँ भी repulsion है, बिकॉज सेम एटम है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी रिपल्शन है, यहाँ भी रिपल्शन है, हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे भी रिपल्शन है. सो ऑल द सिमिलर एटम्स विल रिपेल ईच अदर, इवन द रिपल्शन विल बी बिटवीन द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऑल्सो. ओके, हेंस द मॉलिक्यूल इज व्हाट इज, इट इज फार अवे अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, कि वो सारे स्टेबल रहें, एक दूसरे के नज़दीक नहीं रहते हैं, ना ही एक दूसरे के पास स्ट्रेस मेंटेन करके रखते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट क्राउडेड, दे आर फार अपार्ट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. ओके, दिस इज बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिपेल ईच अदर एज वेल एज द सिमिलर हाइड्रोजन एटम्स रिपेल ईच अदर. सो दिस इज वाई दे हैव द ग्रेट डिस्टेंस इन देम. नाउ दिस geometrical structure of methane, how you will draw, it is a pyramidal structure. Okay, geometry is tetrahedron and the structure is pyramidal. Structure is a pyramidal structure, it is a pyramidal structure. So how it is a pyramid, so pyramid shape hai, so how we will draw this structure? See here, this is my central carbon atom. Okay, now this is your central carbon atom, then I am having two hydrogen bonds here. Okay, now these hydrogen bonds are at the four corners of a pyramid. Okay, this is how the structure is. Okay, just to see, it is a pyramid type of structure. So this is your hydrogen. Now here see, just to look here, I am drawing these bonds. Okay, कार्बन के साथ इस हाइड्रोजन का है, इस हाइड्रोजन का कार्बन के साथ है. Okay, now this is a dotted one. Okay, and this is your wedged shape. Okay, this is how the bond is there. तो जो डॉटेड है चिल्ड्रन वो रेयर है, रेयर मीन्स जो पीछे वाला है, और ये क्या है, ये सामने वाला है, ऑब्जर्वर के सामने वाला है, और ये दो बॉन्ड क्या है, प्लेन के अंदर है. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट इज द बॉन्ड एंगल? हियर द बॉन्ड एंगल इज 109.5 degree. This is what is important, what you have to remember, the bond angle. So this is the pyramidal structure of methane molecule. This is the pyramid structure of methane which is required. So you should know the normal structure, electron dot structure, geometry is tetrahedral and the shape is pyramidal, and this is the pyramidal structure children. Okay, now the rest of the there is reactions and all that I will explain you in the next class. Till here I hope that you have understood. If any doubt then please ask me. Thank you.